Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, you have done your previous homework, all of you. That's good. Student, today we are going to solve exercise 4.8. You people open your book. Exercise 4.8, page number 103. In the previous lecture, we solved question for addition. We add liter and milliliter, different volumes, different units of volume, and we solve words problem. Today we solve question for subtraction. Okay, how can you people subtract the numbers? You people just follow the same method for simple subtraction. Okay, I solve two questions for you people, and you people solve the remaining this question like this. Okay, your homework is, student, do exercise 4.8, question 1 to 15, book page 103 on rough copy. Okay, I solve two questions. Look at here, you people just copy the question like this in your rough notebook. You people start subtraction from your right side. Okay, this is 165 liter 285 milliliter minus 75 liter 195 milliliter. Okay, we subtract lower number from the upper one. You people can subtract 5 from 5. Yes, like numbers cancel each other in subtraction and we get 0. Clear? Now move toward the next number. The next number is 8. We subtract 9 from 8. Can it possible? No. We can't subtract greater number from the smaller one. So we get borrow from the next row. Here this number is 18 and this one is 1. We discussed these borrow in the previous lectures in very detail. Okay, how can you people borrow from the next row and why it's come 18 not 8 or 9? Okay, we discussed all these points in the previous lectures. Okay, now you people subtract 9 from 18. Hurry up. Yes, you get again 9. Now move toward the next one. Again same number, cancel each other. So when you people subtract 1 from 1, you get 0. Clear? Now first you people subtract milliliter. You people start subtraction from your right side. You people solve question of addition, subtraction and multiplication from your right side. Okay, student, move toward this one. Now again you people subtract same numbers. When you people subtract 5 from 5, you people just get 0. You people subtract 7 from 6. Can it possible? No. 6 is less than 7. Again you people need borrow from the next row. Here you people cross this number. When you people borrow 1 from this number, it remains 0, and here this number becomes 16. You people just subtract 7 from 16. Hurry up. Answer is 8. No. 6. 9. Yes, answer is 9. When you people subtract 7 from 16, answer is 9. Okay, now here 0 is left. You people write 0 here. Clear? So answer is 90 liter 90 milliliter. Clear? Move toward the next question. The next question is 112 liter 900 milliliter minus 95 liter 825 milliliter. Okay, so again you start subtraction from your right side. Here you need to subtract 5 from 0. When you subtract 5 from 0, you get 5. No, you can't subtract 5 from 0. So what you people can do, you people borrow from the next door. In next door again there is 0, means nothing. 0 can't help you. Okay, so this one 0, again borrow from the next one number. First this number borrow from the next one, and then you people borrow from this one number. Okay, here when you people borrow 1 from 9, it's 10. Complete 10 means this one is simply, this one is 10, this one is ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, just in simple question, not in this one. Okay, so when you people borrow, you people borrow the complete unit from the next one number. Okay, I already cleared that we discussed these points in the previous lectures, in the earlier lectures, in very detail in subtractions question. Okay, so here 8 left. Now you people can easily borrow from this number. Here 9 left, and here 10. When you people cross out 0 in borrow, it's become 9. And when you people stop at 0, it become 10. Okay, when you people cross out 0, it's become 9, and when you people stop at 0, it become 10. So now you people can easily subtract 5 from 10. You get 5. 2 from 9, 7. 8 from 8, again same number, cancel each other. Move toward this one. You subtract 5 from 2. Can it possible? No. You need borrow. You need borrow from the next door. You need borrow. Here 0 is left. Okay. Subtract 5 from 12. Hurry up. Subtract 5 from 12. Yes. 7. No. Subtract 9 from 0. You get 0. No. Remember students, some of genius students do this one mistake. They subtract any number from 0, get the same number, which is totally wrong. Okay, we can't subtract any number from 0. So you need borrow from the next one. When you borrow, this number become 10, and here 0 is left. Now subtract 9 from 10, you get 1, and here 0 is left. So you people solve these questions just like this. Okay, the remaining 9 questions. Now these questions are clear to you? That's good. Move toward the next question. Okay, how can you people solve the next one? Here, question number 10. Subtract 112 liter 500 milliliter from 165 liter 800 milliliter. Question number 11. Subtract 220 liter 725 milliliter from 280 liter 800 milliliter. How can you people solve this question? Look at to the notebook. Okay, look at. Subtract 112 liter 500 milliliter from 165 liter 800 milliliter. Okay, you people just give the heading of solution, write the given units, arrange the number in column wise vertically. Okay, remember, in such a type of question in which from is given, you people write the second number first. You people just subtract the first number from the second one. You people subtract the first number from the second one. So you people write the first number at the top, and then you people subtract. Here clear, subtract, you subtract this number from this one. Okay, so we arrange the number in column like this. Okay, then you people subtract like this and write the statement. The difference is 53 liter 300 milliliter. Okay, clear? Clear, student? You people solve question number 11 just like this. Okay, now move toward the words problem. A milkman has 47 liter 525 milliliter of milk. He sold 41 liter 275 milliliter of milk. How much milk is left with him? From this clue word, you people just get that you people subtract the second quantity from the first one. A milkman has milk. He sold milk. Okay, look at to this point and this point. It's clear to you that you people subtract this quantity from this one. Question number 13. If 25 liter 200 milliliter of oil is taken out of a tin can containing 45 liter 500 milliliter oil, how much oil will leave in it? Look at. If 25 liter 200 milliliter oil is taken out, this quantity is taken out. This one is the subtracting one. Okay, and the total oil is this one. How much oil will leave in it? You people just subtract this number. This is taken out number, so you people subtract this number from this quantity. Clear? And you people get the answer. Question number 14. The tank of a bus can hold 150 liter 350 milliliter of diesel. If there is 75 liter 200 milliliter diesel in the tank, if there is present, the capacity of this tank is this one. Okay, how much more diesel is required to fill the tank? Okay, how much more you people need to put to complete to fill this one bus tank? Okay, so you people just subtract this quantity from this one. And the 15 one is, there is 145 liter 475 milliliter of water in a tank. If 55 liter 300 milliliter water is taken out from the tank, how much water will left in the tank? Again, from this clue word, you people just take help that you people subtract second quantity from the first one. Okay, look into the notebook. How can you people solve this question? Question number 12. A milkman has milk. Okay, look it. A milkman has milk. You people just copy this sentence from here. How much milk? 47 liter 525 milliliter. He sold milk. How much? 41 liter 275 milliliter. And milk is left with him. You people just subtract this quantity from the first one and you people get the answer 6 liter 25 milliliter. Okay, you subtract this in your rough work. In rough work, you people just subtract like this. Okay, and then write the answer. Okay, move toward the next question. Again, if 25 liter 200 milliliter of oil is taken out of a tin can containing, question number 13, 45 liter 500 milliliter oil, how much oil will leave in it? We give the heading of solution. We just write oil is taken out. How much oil? 25 liter 200 milliliter oil is taken out. Total oil here. If a tin can containing this one oil means total oil, and this one tank is this one, okay, which is 45 liter 500 milliliter. We find out the left oil, okay. So we subtract this quantity from this one in rough work and you people get the answer. Clear? Okay, to the rough work, just like this you people subtract in rough work, okay, and you people get the answer, which is 20 liter 300 milliliter. Clear? So you people solve the remaining question just like this, okay. You people write small sentences, you people copy sentences from your book, okay, and writing should be neat, clear. Underline the question, okay. Okay student, thank you.